Windmill arms. So in the beginning I spoke about rib closure and that kind of thing. So this is where this is also going to be quite relevant. So again, your pelvis is neutral. Shoulders are, what's so funny?
Irrelevant.
Elephant. It's really elephant. Shoulders are relaxed. Knees are hip width apart. Just send that one slightly in. So windmill arms, this is a little bit of brain training, so it's coordination. So if you have, which Paul's not very good at, can't be perfect at everything, love. So if you bring your hands up towards the ceiling, now you're going to take your left hand to your head, your right hand to your feet. So it starts off the same as backstroke arms. Now make sure your palms are facing the ceiling. So turn this palm the other way. And now you're going to do a fan around. So that your right arm is at your head, your left is at your feet, and then bring your hands back up to the ceiling. And now you're going to take your right hand to the head, left to the feet. Palms face the ceiling as you swing them around. When your right hand gets to your head and your left, am I right? Your left hand gets to your head and your right, then just bring your palms facing the body and back to the start. So we'll do one more each side because I know this is very hard for you. So left top, right bottom. Circle around. So again, make sure that you have this connection going on, that the pelvis is relatively heavy, you've just stabilized, rather than having the whole body swinging round. So right, good. Back up to the top. And relax your hands down to the floor. He's got a big grin because he's just got it right. So that's windmill arms for you.